Okay, so in this video, we're going to talk about creating your website and how it needs to be organized in order to make it very user friendly, very easy to go through, very easy to find everything. Keep in mind, this website is something that is going to stay with you. So you need to organize it so that other people can see this. You're building a virtual online resume that shows off everything that you're capable of doing. So the way we're going to do that is we're actually going to start right here. And we're going to go ahead and make sure that it's labeled with your first and last name. Okay. That's important. We're also going to put that down there, click on it, it automatically goes in. And where we're going to start with is your shop stuff. So underneath this part right here, okay, you're going to put in shop stuff. Now, the reason you're going to put shop stuff in here is because that's where we're starting. You can always add to this. You can take this shop stuff, make it into one folder, put it down someplace in the bottom, change this to, whatever you want it to be. But for this class, this is where we're going to be. Now, over here on the right-hand side, you're going to see where it says pages. And then down here in the bottom, this plus sign, you're actually going to add pages. The first page that you're going to add is shop safety. Now notice it popped up with a red line. The great thing about computers is it shows you when something is spelled wrong. So you can right click on that and fix that. And then you're going to go to have the click OK. Shop safety then is where you will go to this page and you will insert, okay, in one of these different layouts, all of your tests and quizzes that you are doing. So it's important that this information gets in here. And I personally like this one right here because it allows me to add a bunch of different things. Now, in order to add your quizzes on here, you go ahead and hit the plus sign. You go to upload from Drive. And this is where it's important that you are saving everything with a name so you can go back and find it. So all of my stuff is down here in this folder called shop stuff. And then I have a folder called notes and test, and guess what's in there? And then we can go ahead and put our bandsaw safety notes right there. And then if I want to put one here, I can go ahead and look, there's my notes. And there is upload from Drive. Now we probably have to go back to this. Hold on, let's see. Yep, go back here to shop stuff. Go to notes and tests. Bandsaw safety test. And there it is. Now you'll notice right here, there's my notes, there's my test. I can make this a little bit bigger so it shows the whole thing. Right there, I can make this one a little bit bigger so it shows the whole thing, like that. Okay. Make them the same size. Okay, that's perfect. Now, after you do this and you start building projects, you're actually going to have to add another page. And the first page that you're going to add is beginning shop. Okay, and again, spelling, it's real simple. Right click, fix it, done. Now, beginning shop, this is where you're going to go ahead and add all of your projects for beginning shop. That includes your piggy bank, your knickknack shelf, and your toolbox. So anything that has to do with those three projects is going to be put here. If you have been in shop before, you're going to have more pages. So then you'll have an intermediate shop. And again, spelling is easily fixed. Okay. And done. Intermediate shop includes the birdhouse or the serving tray, the birdhouse, and the charging station. So anything with those three projects goes in there. And then if you're an 8th grader and you've been in shop a bunch, you're going to actually have advanced shop. Boy, my spelling's on a roll. Advanced shop. And in that is going to include the table, the stool, the octagon planter, and a chair if you are building those. Okay, and so anything with those goes in there.